Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. I want to apologize in advance for the echo. I am here in a bathroom and look at this grout. Guys, in today's video, we are going to be tackling the grout in this shower. I will honestly say I have washed these walls many times, but the grout, I have never cleaned. I've cleaned it, but never really scrubbed it. So today's video is all about grout cleaning, and what we are going to be using is good old Clorox disinfecting with bleach toilet bowl cleaner. The key is that whatever toilet bowl cleaner you use, which has to have bleach in it, has to have this nozzle. It just makes application so much easier. I also picked up a set of 3. Let me grab the other one. The other one's a toilet bowl brush size, which I think I'm gonna use on my car mats, but that's a totally different video. These I'm going to use on the wall with the drill. They attach into the drill like this. It was $13 on Amazon. I am in Canada, so through Amazon Prime, $13 for 3 of them. So this is the game plan. I am going to take the Clorox and I'm going to put it in all of the grout areas all around the shower. I have a couple things I need to do, including run to the local dump to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I've been clearing out in the house. So I'm gonna let all of the bleach sit on there while I'm gone, open up the window to ventilate, of course, and then when I get back, that's when I'll get to town with the brushes and the drill. So for now, guys, let's get cleaning. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, everything is now all over it. You can see the bleach kind of streaming down. Right about halfway through this wall, I realized I'm running out of toilet bowl cleaner because I did not get an extra one. I was just using what's on hand, but that didn't stop me. What I did do is, you probably saw me spraying some stuff. I just used this Clorox cleanup with bleach sprayer on the last leftover grout lines, as well as just kind of all over the walls, just to give it a good clean. Like, I swear, guys, that is still like tile haze left on my tiles from when they grouted it. Who knows, it should come up. I'm super stoked to get this clean, but for now, I got some stuff to do. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple hours because it's gonna be a bit of that before I get to it. And then, yeah, we'll see what comes off with those cool new brushes that I got from Amazon. All right, guys, so this is sat for a little bit. I am now gonna use my drill as well as this little piece. I'm gonna start with the little one. I'm gonna work my way from the top all the way down to the bottom. Let me get you up here. From the top, all the way down to the bottom on both sides. It stinks in here, guys.
not change your mind, 'cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real.
All it took was a little bit of elbow grease and a whole lot of bleach and some splashes on the ceiling. However, these tiles turned out fantastic. They have a great shine to them now, given that they are wet a little, but even the dry ones have a nice shine to them as well. The toughest squares, I would have to say, are these 8 squares that are right here. I don't know, maybe it's the way that like the shower water comes down, but they had the most lime scale on them. We took them off, no problem, as you saw, and this tile grout is a darker one. Thankfully, it does work to my advantage, but it is so nice and clean now, with the biggest transformation being this decorative tile that runs along the inside. It still had the original tile haze kind of gunked in it. So you can see that there is the odd space, the tile's just drying here still, the grout. You can see that there is the odd space that has some brown grout still in it. However, they're almost like pinhole-like spaces and it's gonna be impossible to get them out. However, this is a huge, huge, huge difference and it looks awesome. You did see me switch different tools. I gave up on the power drill. It is so heavy, guys, and holding it up there doing that, it took a lot of energy out of me, especially because I have been working out lately, so if you follow me on Instagram, that's what you have seen, and your girl wasn't holding this up to do it. So you did see me switch to kind of, I have it in here in the milk container, kind of, it's like an SOS pad, a Brillo pad, whoops, a Brillo pad, basically a stainless steel pad, without the soap, and it worked really well, got in all the nooks and crannies. I used kind of a microfiber, well, it is a microfiber cloth to wipe it off after, got down in some of the caulking here and used a magic eraser. It looks great. I'm so happy with it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time.